Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working on your OPPO 15 Reno 15. The first thing that you have to remember is that if you do have your power adapter, power brick, charger damaged, the fast charging probably won't work. So I'll first check for the damage your components. Both cable and the charger cannot be damaged. If they are, fast charging won't work probably because of the protections built in your device and charger. Apart from that, check for the cable and charger compatibility. If it's not compatible with your device, and sometimes it can't be compatible because of the company's certifications, and they want to earn more money because of you, they won't give you free will to buy a charger. So check if you do have certified charger, and then if you don't, you need to buy a new one. If you do, go to the next steps. At first, go to the settings, and here now scroll down to the battery. Now scroll all the way down. Tap charging settings and make sure that smart rapid charging is enabled. Charge your device faster using a genuine power adapter and a cable. The device may get warmer during charging. Make sure that this option is enabled. If it is, that's nice. Disable it, enable it, and just do it a couple of times and check. If it was disabled, make sure that this is enabled, and now your issue is fixed. Apart from that, you can test your smartphone with a different fast charger or a different outlet, a power outlet, or for example somewhere else. And if it still doesn't work, you need to contact device support because your battery may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.